Look at my butternut squash. Okay. Look at you. Look at those beautiful flowers. Oh, yes. Come on, butternut squash. Ah, I see you. I see two. See two squash. Okay, with the beautiful flowers. Yes. The bees have been pollinating you guys, I see. Looking good. Okay, I'm gonna give you some butternut squash for the first time. Okay, looking good, butternut squash. Okay, green beans, they got tired of me talking about them. They finally have germinated. I see two coming up here. Finally, finally. Come on, green beans. Rest of y'all come on and sprout on out. See a lot of blooms on you. Grow me a lot of green beans now. And look over here, my mustard greens. Okay, mustard greens. Y'all sprouting up here and getting big, looking beautiful. Look at the red mustard greens. Okay. Okay. My collard greens coming over here too. Need some more to come on and germinate on out of here and sprout up and get big like these mustard greens are. Gotta get in here and get a lot of these weeds out of here too. But y'all getting big, that's beautiful. Keep growing big and beautiful. Greens in Big Mama's garden.